No, this is not bust down tutorial. So, not everything is going to be a bust down. Like, some of us just want just a little bit of hair. Like, not everything is going to be a dirty bust down. Come on now. Spatula. I'm only doing 2 layers because I'm going to work, not the club. I literally have T-minus 21 minutes. 3 to fit. Make sure it's not down too low. And we gonna work them edges. Russian. I have this on, but this is not where it is from. That's a full transparency. Not everything is going to be a bust down. This little cute little Shirley Temple. I can do this. Oh. Back up in the back.